welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are not new, welcome back. I really appreciate you guys visiting with me. It's been a hot minute since I actually sat down in front of the camera and filmed. So I did today receive my base box, Boxycharm. I only get the base box now. I no longer get the premium. This is the only current subscription that I get. Once in a while I do get the Walmart one, but that's like 4 times a year. So anyways, I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys. And I wasn't sure if I was going to film this, but I just thought, why not? Let me just share with you guys what I got. So if you are not familiar with Boxycharm, the base box retails for $25 a month. With tax, it's about $27 and some change, or you can do every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months. Right now, I'm on a month-to-month because I am not sure if I want to keep it all year or not, and so therefore, I just put it on a month-to-month. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got in this month's box. It is pretty heavy. I did have a card, which is always nice. That is what it looks like. Most likely in theme for Valentine's, very pretty. And then that is my variation down there on the bottom. New variations, we used to just get like a 2-digit number, and now we're getting a long number like this. So go ahead and just get started. Now the first thing I do see here, I believe I picked this. This is the Ace Beauty, I think is how you pronounce it, Nostalgia palette. That is what the outside looks like. It does say that this retails for $38.99. It says, consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application with the most excellent payoff. So the front of it looks just like the box. It does have a mirror. And one of my shadows is kind of messed up here in the corner. Has some scratches right there. But it's not too bad. But this is what the palette looks like. Very fun, very bright. Now I did pick this, but I want to keep it because it's different than, you know, what I have in my collection. But for now, until I decide, I'm not going to swatch anything. But if I do decide to keep it, I would definitely swatch it and put that on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on there, definitely check that out. It will be linked down below. It's always down below. Okay, so the next item in here that I see is the Levito Evening Primrose Seed, Buckthorn, and Pumpkin Seed Age Away Hydrating Cream. It is for dry, mature skin. And it's a 1.69 fluid ounce. I almost feel like I've gotten one of these from them before. And I sent it to my mom because although I'm getting up there in age, I don't have super mature skin as of yet. This says, this moisturizer is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture. A high concentration of plant actives, including antioxidant-rich sea buckthorn and evening primrose seed oil, also rich in fatty acids, promotes cellular regeneration to restore elasticity and firmness. It retails for $55. That's a lot. Again, I feel like I've had this before and gave it to my mom. Maybe it was from an Ipsy or something. I can't remember, but I do feel like I got this already. I'm not going to open that because I do have moisturizers already open that I'm currently using up. So that's nice to have. That's pretty expensive, I'd have to say, $55. Okay, the next thing that I see is the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. It says here, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. The lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly into skin, while the clear shimmer free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow and retails for $22. Let's open it up and see. That's what the packaging looks like. Right there. It's like, has like a doubled layer like it said. So the bottom is a clear balm. That is what that looks like. Smells nice. It does have a mirror on top. So it's pretty neat. And then here is the blush. It's very pretty. So, not bad. Excited to try that out. I've been loving cream blushes a lot this month. I've been pulling them and pulling them. Okay, the next item is the Handskin Hyaluronic Skin Essence. This says it's developed by inventors of K-Beauty's first BB cream. This hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. The cushiony, non-sticky formula instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow and retails for $46. It's a very big one. It is a 10 fluid ounces. It says 5-in-1 moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, and skin softening. 11 free system, 6 types of paraben, benzoyl alcohol, artificial dyes, all of that. So it's free of that. Let's see what it looks like. Very excited to have this because I always have dry skin. And so, wow, that's awesome. It's just a clear liquid, so I'm excited for this. When I finish the toner I'm currently using, I will implement this because it's like an essence toner. So yeah, definitely will implement that. If I didn't tell you guys, that retails for $46. And the last item that I got, the St. Luxe limited edition liner duo in Love Letter and Secret Admirer. It says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips, blends with little to no effort, achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. Retails for $40, which is kind of crazy for lip liners. I wouldn't pay that for sure. The packaging is really pretty. That is what they look like right there. It's like a soft pink, and then it has the shades here. Let's just see what they look like. Oh, very pretty, the tip. See how sharp that is and pointed? Very nice. Don't see many lip liners like that. Member of Boxycharm, you can go on and shop their pop-up, and I'm sure all of this will be on the pop-up, and I know they sell it for a lot cheaper. My friend Teresa here on YouTube, she usually will give you the price it is on the pop-up and what Boxycharm would charge me if I were to go on there and purchase it from them, but you do have to be a member to be able to do that. But it is a lot cheaper than actually what they say each item is valued. Now, the price they give you on the card is always going to be the price if you were to go to the website or get it elsewhere. That is what the price would be. Let's see what mine comes up to. My box for February was $201.99. So basically $202 when you think about it. So overall, I did get a great value for what I paid. Everything was pretty much over $20 except the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. That was $22, but everything was in higher than that. So overall, that was a great box. There was some brushes that they sent out that I was hoping that I got. I believe my friend Teresa did get that in her box. And I'll leave her video link down below if you want to go check out hers and see her unboxing and also see how she does hers. Like I said, she will give you the price on the card, and then she will tell you how much Boxycharm is selling it for on the site if you are a member. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. This is going to complete this video for today, but I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.